Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on the TP Link Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, the LB100, unboxing and review. Okay, here we go. This review is on the TP Link Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, and it is controllable via your cell phone. It can be an Android smartphone or an iPhone. And it's also controllable via the Google Assistant and the Amazon Alexa. So keep that in mind that this is very versatile, and I thought that this was pretty neat when I got it and started using it. So let's take a close-up look at the box here a little bit. On the side here we have step 1, step 2, step 3, and on the back it tells you a few of the features: no hub required, dimming option, remote access, and so forth. And on this side, I want a close-up look here on the lighting facts. It is a brightness of 600 lumens and a temperature of 2700. I think that the bottom here just shows some serial numbers. On top it says TP Link. Okay, let's do an unboxing here and get down to the nitty-gritty. And I've speed this up a little bit via the video editor so that it wasn't too boring watching me unbox. It says happy with your product. So let's go ahead and put that to the side and see what else is in the box. We have some paperwork that's packaged in a nice package there, technical support, and some quick install instructions for the smart bulb. Okay, we'll put that to the side and get to the main product, which is the TP Link Smart Bulb. And let's go ahead and pop that out. Nothing else in the box. And it's nicely packaged. And let's take this plastic wrap off so we can take a closer look at the bulb itself. And as you can see, it's a nicely shaped bulb. Nothing really special. Looks like your normal LED bulb in my opinion. And looking up close on the bottom, we see some small print, and it says basically 50 watts on there somewhere. And it's got a nice weight to it also, by the way. It feels a little heavier, I think, because the Wi-Fi adapter is built into this bulb. You don't need anything else to connect this up to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, let's go ahead and put this into the lamp that's right behind this bulb here on the table, and we'll test it out. But first we need to download to our smartphone the TP Link install and remote control app, either from our Android Play Store or our Apple App Store on the iPhone. And I'm using the Android here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Play Store. And as you can see, I have already installed the app to my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and press open, and you can do the same thing once you've installed the app on your phone. And that opens up the app, and you can go through the install process, connecting it up to your Wi-Fi network and customizing the name of the bulb. I called mine the sunroom, and that was the power button. I just turned the light on, and we are able to adjust the brightness of the light from 100% to 75% to 25% to 1%. And as I'm doing this, let's go ahead and take a look at the lamp and watch it happen. Okay, light on at 100%, 75%, 25%, and 1%. And then back to 100% again. And that's not too bad. A lot of flexibility there. And very quickly, with the lampshade off, we'll turn the lamp on to 100%. 75%, 25%, and down to 1%, and completely off, and back on to 100% again. One other cool thing about the app is that you can dim the light bulb to your liking manually whenever you like. instead of using these preset percentages. Okay, that's the end of this video. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like.